I've been trying to get a job here for 5 years. She won't hire me.
No.
Are you racist?
Are you serious? Give me that camera.
What's up? What it do, YouTube fam? It's your boy Got It back at you with another video. And as y'all can see by the thumbnail, we are officially framed off with 400 degrees. Yep. And I'm gonna tell y'all, going frame off ain't so bad as long as you got the right tools and proper equipment. Man, if I had a lift, it could have been a one-man job. But how we going about doing it, how I had to do it, because I didn't have a lift, it required 4 men. And shout out to my uncle, my cousin, and my partner for helping me out, helping me jack it up. Man, the jacking it up it really took all the time, trying to get it jacked up, putting blocks here, putting blocks there, trying to make sure it's clear. And I'm gonna give y'all a walkthrough all the stuff we were running into without having a lift. But like I said, like frame off would have been real simple and easy. Got 14 body mount bolts, and disconnect the gas line, a few wires, and you frame off, you ready to lift up in the air. But you know, we had to go the hard route, not having the proper equipment. But I'm most definitely looking into getting a lift before I put the frame back under the body, because I plan on having the engine mounted in the frame and then just roll the frame up under the body. So I'm most definitely gonna invest in a lift before I get back to that process. So I'm gonna walk y'all through, let y'all see you know, all the mount points for the first time. And this is the first time for me doing a box Chevy in collision. We done you know, a couple taking beds off of trucks, you know, the cabs or whatever. But this is my first time doing a box Chevy, so I'm gonna let y'all walk through with me and show y'all the mount points and the points on the frame where we struggled to get past the blocks that we had set up. So with a lift, you eliminate all of it. It comes straight up high enough and you roll it out. But we had to took some doing, but we got it. You know, shout out to the help, everybody that helped out with it. But let's get y'all turned around. And I started at the front. Just came out here late night, early morning, and got it done. You know, this personal stuff, we got to fit it in around everybody else stuff, you know, because we running the business. So start out, got mount points up here at the beginning, at the front of the frame. It's gonna be 2, gonna be straight across from each other where the mount points sit. And this one right here get a little tricky because you got 2 side by side. So make sure you hit those. And you coming from the bottom, and they should come straight out if you don't have any issues up top with a nut being rested, maybe a hole rusted out and spinning around, and won't allow the bolt to come come out, that's a whole nother issue. But up here you can put a wrench. That's where the radiator support sit. You can put a wrench up top and hold a nut, and she'll drop down. And on the rest of them, you should be able to get your impact and hit it from the bottom, and they should come straight out. So you got 6 right here, 2, 4, 6. And this one in the middle, I missed. I had all of them out except this one here, because the hole up under the bottom of the frame is a lot smaller than these, so I actually missed that one. When I first started to jack it up, I missed it. So I went on Phoenix Fab Instagram page, and he did a frame out by Chevy, and I counted the mount points, and that's the one I had skipped over. So we got that one, and we got one right here, which they're gonna be straight across from each other on the other side. These are just some bushing with no bolt in there. And you got one there, and you got one at the very end of the frame. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And the gas line, and maybe a couple of engine wires, and she ready to come straight off. And you frame off just like that. The struggles of dealing with this old jack, this Jaggers. Man, the jack about 15 years old, and it wasn't coming up high enough. We had to block it. My dad in heavy equipment construction work, so he keep these big blocks around and working on stuff. I had to go borrow his jack. I don't think it had enough fluid in it. It wasn't coming up high enough. That jack was doing the job, but it wasn't rolling up under the blocks like it should, but it got the job done. We got it blocked up. It just took a lot of moving around. But right now we got it on a 6x6 post all the way across. I had 4x4 posts, but they was bowing in the middle, so I went and got this bigger one. And at the back, we just stacked some tires up, rim and tires, and set it down on the gas tank, because we're gonna replace the gas tank. But I don't think it's bending it. And up front, we just got it blocked with a jack stand. It was actually pretty stable without doing it up front, but I just done that, just for security. Yep, we officially frame off. First time, probably gonna be one of many. Once we get that lift, we sure enough can rock and roll. So we're gonna get this frame pressure washed, maybe wire brush or sandblast or whatever. Whatever it look like after we pressure wash it, and I can know which route to go. And we're gonna put a color on this thing, get it cleaned up, create one suspension, know it's coming, and we're gonna have it all pretty, like a real player do. I found a body bushing kit for the box Chevy online. Gonna get that, and I got it on these skates, so we can move the frame around real easy. Man, these little skates come in handy. I'm gonna buy a couple more sets on for cars like this, just sitting. That way you can pack them in exactly how you want to. You can just push them around, spin them around, whatever. So let me know what y'all think, man. First time frame off. It's a lot harder process doing it this way without a lift, but we got it done. Let me know what y'all think. Drop down in the comment. Appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, staying down with the channel and support. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and we out. You said on top of the wood.
I'm saying it's a little too before. God damn. Yeah.
Hold on, hold up. You gotta come out straight, Steve. Yep. Oh, O'Reilly.
Yep.
Auto parts. I'm making a commercial.